Nearly half of seniors who bought new SUVs in 2024 overpaid by $8,000 or more because dealerships pushed loaded models with features they'd never use and warranties that barely covered the basics. Meanwhile, insurance premiums spiked by 60% within the first year, and repair bills blindsided retirees on fixed incomes. The truth? 9 affordable SUVs under $30,000 quietly outlast luxury models, cost half as much to insure, and deliver 200,000 miles of reliable service without the financial stress. If you're a senior looking for dependable transportation without draining your retirement savings, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down 9 budget-friendly SUVs that offer rock-solid reliability, low maintenance costs, affordable insurance, and the kind of long-term value that lets you drive with confidence for years to come. From Japanese legends to Korean powerhouses, these vehicles prove you don't need luxury prices to get premium peace of mind. Stick around because number 7 has a warranty that'll blow your mind. SUV number 1, Subaru Outback. What if the SUV quietly outselling luxury brands costs $14,000 less and lasts twice as long? The 2025 Subaru Outback starts at $29,000 and delivers something rare in today's market: genuine long-term reliability without compromise. Consumer Reports data shows Outbacks regularly surpass 200,000 miles with minimal mechanical issues, and that's not marketing hype. That's real-world performance from owners who've driven these vehicles for decades. It comes standard with all-wheel drive, making it ideal for seniors in snowy climates or unpaved rural roads. But that's not all. The Outback earns top safety scores from both IIHS and NHTSA, which translates directly into lower insurance premiums, a hidden savings most buyers never calculate up front. The high seating position and excellent visibility reduce strain on necks and backs, while the intuitive controls avoid overwhelming older drivers with unnecessary tech. Annual maintenance costs stay well below the segment average, thanks to Subaru's durable boxer engine design. If you want an SUV that handles winter storms, weekend road trips, and daily errands without ever leaving you stranded, the Outback delivers exactly that. SUV number 2, Toyota Corolla Cross. Here's a question dealerships don't want you asking. Why spend $40,000 when $24,000 gets you legendary Toyota reliability in a practical SUV package? The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross proves that budget-friendly doesn't mean sacrificing quality or longevity. Starting at just $24,000, it offers comfortable seating height, generous cargo space, and the same bulletproof engineering that made the Corolla sedan a global icon. Fuel economy averages 32 miles per gallon combined, which saves seniors hundreds of dollars annually at the pump, especially valuable for retirees watching every expense. It gets crazier. The Corolla Cross ranks among the lowest in its class for annual maintenance costs, with widely available parts and simple repairs that won't break the bank. Toyota's 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty provides upfront peace of mind, and the company's reputation means you can trust this SUV to hit 200,000 miles with just basic upkeep. Insurance companies love it too, offering competitive rates thanks to excellent crash test scores and standard safety features. That's money staying in your pocket every single month. SUV number 3, Mazda CX-5. Picture this: you're driving an SUV that feels like it costs $50,000, but you paid $29,000, and it'll still be running strong when other brands are in the shop for the third time. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 delivers premium driving dynamics, upscale interior quality, and Honda-level reliability at a price point that makes financial sense for seniors. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the CX-5 among the most likely compact SUVs to reach 200,000 miles, with exceptionally low repair costs, even beyond the 100,000-mile mark. Real-world owners praise its smooth steering, refined ride quality, and straightforward controls that don't bury essential functions in confusing touchscreen menus. The reason this matters? Older drivers appreciate vehicles that work intuitively without requiring tech training just to adjust the climate control. Mazda's engineering focuses on durability over gimmicks, which means fewer electronic failures and more mechanical reliability over time. Insurance premiums stay lower than average thanks to strong safety ratings and Mazda's reputation for building vehicles that rarely file claims. If you want an SUV that drives like a luxury car but costs thousands less to own and maintain, the CX-5 checks every single box. SUV number 4. Nissan Rogue. What's the most overlooked advantage of the 2025 Nissan Rogue? It delivers 33 miles per gallon on the highway, while offering spacious, senior-friendly comfort at just $28,000. The Rogue strikes a perfect balance between efficiency and practicality, with wide door openings that reduce strain on knees and backs, comfortable seating height that makes entry and exit effortless, and a smooth, quiet cabin that turns every drive into a stress-free experience. But listen to this. Annual fuel savings alone can offset insurance costs for seniors who drive moderate distances, and the Rogue's predictable maintenance schedule means no surprise. Repair bills derailing your budget. Unlike tech-heavy competitors, it keeps controls simple and intuitive, avoiding the frustration many older drivers experience with overcomplicated infotainment systems. Below-average maintenance expenses and widely available parts nationwide ensure you'll never struggle to find affordable service, whether you're home or traveling cross-country. Strong safety scores from IIHS qualify the Rogue for competitive insurance rates, making it easier on fixed retirement incomes. For older drivers seeking reliability without complexity, the Nissan Rogue remains a smart, low-stress choice in 2025. Dependable transportation shouldn't feel complicated. If you're finding real value in this breakdown, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss money-saving insights like these. Trust me, the next 4 SUVs get even better, especially the warranty coverage coming up. SUV number 5. Kia Sportage. Ever wondered why smart seniors are choosing Kia over brands that cost $10,000 more? The 2025 Kia Sportage starts at $28,000 and comes backed by one of the industry's most impressive warranties, 10 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain. That's nearly unmatched protection in this price range, giving retirees genuine peace of mind against expensive mechanical failures down the road. Multiple ownership studies confirm that with proper maintenance, the Sportage easily lasts over 200,000 miles, making it a brilliant long-term investment for seniors avoiding repeat vehicle purchases. But that's not all. Fuel economy averages 30 miles per gallon combined, helping cut annual gas station visits and overall fuel expenses significantly. The Sportage earns top safety scores from IIHS and NHTSA, which directly translates to lower insurance premiums, a major benefit for older drivers managing fixed budgets. The cabin layout prioritizes comfort and ease of use, with supportive seats, excellent visibility, and controls that don't require a degree in technology to operate. If you're seeking an SUV that blends reliability, safety, and real-world affordability without confusing tech or surprise repairs, the Kia Sportage delivers exactly what matters most. Long-term value you can actually count on. SUV number 6. Buick Encore GX. What if you could enjoy premium SUV refinement without premium SUV costs or headaches? The 2025 Buick Encore GX starts at just $26,000 and offers an upscale driving experience that punches far above its price point. High seating position and excellent visibility make it especially comfortable for older drivers, while the whisper-quiet cabin stays refined even at highway speeds. Controls remain refreshingly straightforward with no overwhelming touchscreens or buried menu systems, just the essentials executed properly. It gets better. Fuel economy averages 30 miles per gallon combined, trimming yearly gas expenses while the surprisingly low maintenance costs keep ownership affordable over time. Unlike many upscale vehicles that drain wallets with expensive repairs, the Encore GX benefits from well below average upkeep expenses and Buick's generous factory warranty coverage. Strong safety scores help keep insurance premiums lower than most premium branded crossovers, adding another layer of savings seniors truly appreciate. The reason this is happening? Buick specifically designs vehicles for mature buyers who value comfort, simplicity, and reliability over flashy features that break or confuse. If you're a senior looking for refined transportation with a touch of class that won't drain retirement savings, the Encore GX delivers all that without compromise. Upscale doesn't have to mean expensive. SUV number 7. Hyundai Tucson. Here's the most underrated SUV bargain for seniors in 2025. exceptional value, bulletproof reliability, and industry-leading warranty protection, all starting at $27,000. The Hyundai Tucson delivers more than most rivals while keeping costs firmly under control, making it ideal for retirees watching every dollar. Its biggest advantage? Hyundai's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, offering nearly unmatched protection in this price range that eliminates financial surprises down the road. For seniors on fixed incomes, that kind of long-term coverage means sleeping soundly without worrying about catastrophic repair bills. But it gets crazier. According to J.D. Power, the Tucson has minimal repair frequency, and when issues do occur, they're typically inexpensive and simple to fix. Fuel economy delivers 29 to 31 miles per gallon combined depending on trim level, helping save on gas throughout the year, while standard safety features across all trims add confidence behind the wheel and help keep insurance premiums affordable. The cabin prioritizes comfort with supportive seats, intuitive controls, and a layout that doesn't overwhelm older drivers with unnecessary complexity. If you want a low-maintenance, budget-friendly SUV that quietly goes the distance, the Hyundai Tucson checks every single box, from warranty protection to fuel savings and proven long-term dependability. That's real peace of mind. SUV number 8. Toyota CHR. What's the secret weapon for seniors navigating tight parking lots and urban streets while staying under $25,000? The 2025 Toyota CHR combines compact agility with legendary Toyota reliability, starting at just $24,500. It excels in situations where larger SUVs struggle. Tight turning radius, responsive steering, and manageable size make parking and maneuvering stress-free for older drivers. Despite compact dimensions, it offers generous headroom, supportive seating, and straightforward controls that skip complicated tech menus entirely. The reason this matters? Many seniors want simple, dependable transportation without wrestling oversized vehicles or confusing interfaces. But listen to this. Fuel economy averages 31 miles per gallon combined, keeping fuel costs low year after year, especially valuable for retirees avoiding frequent pump stops. Toyota's reputation for rock-solid reliability means the CHR routinely reaches 200,000 miles or more with just basic maintenance, translating to fewer repair bills and zero surprise breakdowns. Routine service stays simple and affordable, with widely available parts, and the CHR ranks among the lowest in its class for maintenance expenses. Insurance premiums stay competitive thanks to strong crash test scores and Toyota's standard Safety Sense suite, including automatic emergency braking and lane assist. For seniors wanting stress-free, low-maintenance transportation without bulk or big price tags, the CHR offers unbeatable value. SUV number 9. Honda HR-V. Ever found the perfect SUV that's compact enough for tight spaces but spacious enough for real life? The 2025 Honda HR-V continues dominating the senior-friendly SUV segment for excellent reasons. It's practical, reliable, and affordable without sacrificing comfort or durability. Starting around $25,000, it handles tight parking lots effortlessly while hauling groceries, travel gear, and mobility equipment with surprising ease. Fuel efficiency averages 32 miles per gallon on the highway, helping older drivers cut monthly fuel costs without switching to hybrids or EVs they might not feel comfortable operating. But that's not all. Unlike newer SUVs overloaded with touchscreens and tech, the HR-V keeps things refreshingly simple with large physical controls, crystal clear visibility, and a natural seating position that works for drivers of any age. The flat cargo floor and low lift-over height make loading bags or equipment physically easier, while wide-opening rear doors minimize strain that many seniors don't realize matters until they experience it. According to RepairPal, the HR-V ranks well below average for annual repair costs, and Honda's widespread dealer network means parts and service stay accessible everywhere. It's built to last well past 200,000 miles with routine upkeep, something retirees seeking long-term vehicles truly value. Insurance costs stay lower than average thanks to strong safety ratings and Honda's reputation for building low-risk vehicles. Complete peace of mind. There you have it. 9 SUVs proving you don't need to overspend for comfort, reliability, and long-term peace of mind. For seniors in 2025 and 2026, smart vehicle choices fit your lifestyle and protect your budget, and every SUV on this list was selected with exactly that in mind. From legendary Japanese reliability to impressive Korean warranties, these vehicles deliver what truly matters: dependable transportation, affordable ownership, and confidence behind the wheel for years to come. Drive smart, spend wisely, and enjoy the freedom reliable transportation brings.